A very good morning to all of you. Today class, negative class. How to make a negative in French. Okay. So topic name like law negative. How to make it? So before verb we put no and after verb we put pa. For vowel we put anophe stop or pa. And after pa, if you have like article or yun, they, du, dala, dolo, or they, it will be changed in de or d office stop. Okay, but this rule not used with atra verb. With atra, no change. Okay, and what is the rule? Like, look the example. Suppose I write here je pakl. You know that pakl verb is er ending verb, and last class we taught you that also. Okay, that simple. Je pakl, it means I speak. And then how to make a negative? Simple. We use, because pakle is consonant verb, so we use no over here or pa here. So je no pakle pa. It means I don't speak. In present, you know that this verb is meaning like I speak, I am speaking. I don't speak, I am not speaking. In present tense, like a French, you know that two sound is here, simple or continuous. When you make present tense, any conjugate verb, like two sound is come. Like I speak, I am speaking. I give, I am giving. Conjugation same, but meaning like totally different, and it's like simple or continuous both. Okay, so now this time, how to make a negative? It's okay. Before verb you put na and after verb you put pa. Suppose you have like a vowel verb, then you put an office stop or pa. After pa, suppose you have like o, yun, de, dala, du, dala, de. It's changed like d office stop. But suppose your verb is atra, it's not changed. Look here. Okay, so J or estilo. I have a pen. So it's j. When you put the negative like j, proper. Okay, no, because this is the vowel verb. That's why. And pa. It means I have not, and or change into the estilo. Okay, suppose you have like a plural also, then you put the and the. Say or estilo. The same process here. Suppose this is the verb, then you put sa, nepa, because verb is here. So vowel verb, that's why we put sa. And one question is here, how it is possible this and change into that? Because when we have two vowel, that's why we put there. This means it's like e. Okay? When you separate this, that time you do this. And this is also there. Okay? Look. And or not change. Or estilo. Why it is not changed? Because it's a conjugation with atra verb. Okay? So now look here. Some example also. Okay. So Jordan lo estilo Arohan. How to make a negative? This is a very easy. This is the verb. We put napa only. Okay. Jo, no, don, pa, lo estilo Arohan. It means I give the pen to Rohan, or I am giving the pen to Rohan. And here I don't give the pen to Rehan, or I am not giving the pen to Rohan. In present tense also conjugation is one but sound is two, like simple or continuous both. Okay. Look at the second example. Elle dit bonjour au professeur. Okay. She says hello to the teacher. So how to make a negative? Simple verb is here. So elle ne dit pas bonjour au professeur. Okay, so she doesn't say hello to the teacher, or she is not saying hello to the teacher. Over here also, she says and she is saying hello to the teacher. Okay, hope you got how to make a negative. It's a very easy task. First of all, you search the verb and then you put before the verb no and after the verb pa. And after pa, suppose you have like oh, yun, they, du, dala, they, then you change d of stop. But with at verb, you can't change it. Okay? Thank you so much. In next video, with comes with next topic. Okay? Thank you.